Yeah.
Yo, good morning everyone. Let's go. Let's get ready for this London session here today. Let's see what we can get for trades here today. Let's do a quick top-down analysis here on gold to see what we got. And we got here Alex Trading Reps in the building. Let's get it. Alright, let's take a look here at gold. So if we take a look at the daily time frame here, we can see that after this big bearish move, the daily candle here came down, but we rejected off, right? So we're still struggling to break down below this daily support here, this resistance on the daily that's acting like a support. We're struggling to come down. So this daily here, could do one of two things. We could close bullish here to continue this bullish trend on the daily, right? Like we could still continue going up here, or we could come down and fill the wick and continue down. But right now I think it's up for, like, both of these options are very much possible. Like if this daily time frame was on a 30-minute, I would be looking for buys right now, right? Because like this bullishness is crazy. You get the pullback, you get a support. If this daily closes a support, we're gonna start taking buys again, right? So the daily hasn't closed support yet, so we can't really say okay, definitely buys now. But we can be like, now we can switch our buys from completely bearish to either bearish or bullish. Actually, would be nice here today. If we take a look at the 4-hour though, we can see here on the 4-hour we're in this range, right? So we have supports and we have a resistance, right? So we're in this range right here. And as we can see, the previous 4-hour closed with no top wick whatsoever, and now this 4-hour came up with no bottom wick, tapped into resistance, and we're rejecting, right? So right now I'm looking for sells. Like sells are probably gonna be the best thing I can take here today because of this. We go to the 1-hour as well. 1-hour, no bottom wick, is looking clean. We go to the 30-minute. 30-minute might be trying to form here some sort of resistance to come down. So if we get this 30 resistance, I would like to take these sells here. 15 did create a resistance. I was looking at this to take these sells, but I wanted it to create a lower wick so I could have the entry here. But it's looking nice and clean to come down. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's hop into Zoom with Alex and see what's up. Or you still in the Discord? Yo, Malaka. You're not in the Zoom yet?
Huh?
You're not gonna start the Zoom yet?
Yeah, in 5 minutes I'm
okay.
I'm warming up.
Alright.
So you're top down.
Let's see what we do.
I gotta take the sells with 30 resistance.
Depends. Let's see what the 30 does.
The idea of the 15 though happened. Perfect. But like you didn't have a bottom to enter or so. What happened?
So the 15, I wanted to enter on the current candle, right?
Yeah.
It came up with no bottom wick and flipped and came down. Like I wanted it to have like a little bottom wick to have an entry.
Yeah.
And that's what I was waiting for.
You don't get on the flip never.
Nah, I don't really like the flip. It's not that the best.
Yeah. It will come down and then come back up.
Yeah, exactly. Let's see what we get here for Goldie.
Goldie. I would like to take those buys, but these buys are done now for me. These buys are dunzo.
Dunzo bunzo.
Turum tum 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 tum.
But yeah, I'm anticipating this 4-hour to flip and come down. That's
Yeah,
what I'm
without the
waiting for
bottom.
here. Yeah, Like no top wick and no bottom wick. Like how obvious can it be? And a tap target. Like sales right now is looking money.
I agree, but let's see. Let's see.
Mm-hmm. 30 minute. 30 minute not looking bad here.
30 resistance.
Yeah. Let's see, there's 15 minutes left. Are you playing the Greek song right now, Malaka?
No. I'm playing the intro. I might put it if I can before when I come back, when I open the church.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try to put it from Safari.
Because I want to hear it.
You're not gonna be able to understand nothing, but it's a good song, I feel.
Yeah.
I like it. If you have any Greeks inside, or Dennis, no.
Oh, Malaka. Oh.
You sick boy.
Very.
Nah, not very.
Like,
Just a little.
my whole body is sore. Do you know that kind of sickness?
Yeah. You went to the gym yesterday.
Yeah.
That's why.
Nah, Malaka, it's not that kind of sore though. It's like
Yeah,
weakness.
you were sick and then you went to the gym, so your whole body's now.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I don't want to move. Yeah, it's the sort of sickness. I know the sort you mean.
Yeah.
It's like you're heavy and you're slow.
Mm-hmm. And everything hurts. Like the slightest touch hurts.
I've sent you the Zoom link, eh?
Yeah, let me know when you hop in. I'll just join.
Let me try to put the song first. Google Drive.
Google Drive. Can
Before
Google
I stream.
Drive? Yo, someone's in the chat. Who is it? We got Cyper. Let's go. Cyper in the building.
Cyper. Bro, I'm gonna go start the stream and then I'm coming back.
Yeah.
Basically, join on this or join on Zoom.
Yeah. Cyper, have you taken anything here for today? Let's go, Cyper. Yeah, pull up for the Zoom. Alex is gonna pull up in the Zoom and I'll be in there too. Let's see what gold will give us here. What gold will give, we will take. Hey, let's go, 60 pippers. Nah, I'm looking for this 30 resistance maybe here. Maybe if we can get the 30 resistance. Did you take it off the 15 resistance? And then did you do previous or current candle low for the entry? Because here you got like 60 pips. If you did like current. Alright, we're pulling up to the Zoom. Yeah, Cypher, I agree. I think this 4 hours gonna flip. Like no top wick on the previous and no bottom wick on the current.
Συντονίζουμε τα tracks, τρώμε όλη την ώρα. Προκαταβάλουν το rap, δεν τους αρέσει το rap. Δεν τους μιλάνε καλά, λένε για ναρκωτικά. Λένε τι λένε αυτοί, μάλλον δεν πάνε καλά. Πραγματικά δεν πιάσανε ούτε τα μισά. Δεν πιάσανε
starting with some rap.
Πάτημα στο έδαφος βάρη.
Let's go.
Good morning. You hear the song?
Yeah, I can hear it. Cypher in the chat, whoop whoop. Malaka, after we take a W, put that song on.
Yeah, bro.
And now you can hear the phone call too.
Give me a second, Mike. I have a phone call.
Oh.
What's up, Cobra? Είμαι ραχτός σαλόνι, ταχεία στο τέρμα, τέρμα τον γκάζω, τα μπαίνω και πιάνω τιμόνι. Εδώ θα μείνω, ώσπου να πάψει φωνή μου, να τους ταπεινώνει. Κι όταν θα φύγω,
Listen,
να δω τι θα κάνει που στο τέλος θα μείνει μόνη.
After a win, after
10,000 pip win.
Και μαζεύει τα λεφτά με το τσουβάλι, έκανε την καρδιά μου πέτρα, λαχαλά. Ακού δυο σύμφωνα, λαμδαρώ το τραγουδάω περήφανα. Σ' όποιο γήπεδο και να μου τη φανέλα ίδρωνα. Με καθαρό το κούτελο, το χρέος μου το πλήρωνα.
let me grab my coffee quick and we're gonna go start the top down, boys.
Alright.
Enjoy the song a bit. Pray gold it for me, for the tribe. In Greek though, I don't know if that kind of makes sense, but I hope you like it. Give me 2 minutes and we start the top down.
Είναι το vibe, όλοι στο φως, αυτό θα νικάει μαζί, εγώ και η δική μου. Ψάχνουμε την αλλαγή, φεύγουμε, ανακοπή, άλλο ρέσπι η σταγή. Πάτημα στο έδαφος βάρη όπως το microphone. Flow που κυλά σκοτώνει τις γράμμες των άπειρων. Τόσα χρόνια ραπ και δεν μου φτάνει ένα στάδιο. Λαμδάρω το γράφει και κουνιέται το τετράδιο. Λαμδάρω κυκλώνει ραπ και όλη την περίμετρο. Μη μέτρας το χρήμα αν το σέβας είναι εφήμερο. Γράφω και η καρδιά μου χτυπά, χτυπά και σβήνουμε. Αν με πάρει απόψε ψηλά, κουμπλέ και κλείνουμε. Φόβη πάθη και μια τέζα μουσική στο όχημα. Βράδυ τα πας της Αθήνας στη Ριβιέρα μόνιμα. Όλοι ψάχνουνε το χρήμα, αυτό είναι πρόβλημα. Όλοι ψάχνουνε το χρήμα.
We're streaming with a rap, Malaka. With a tribe. No, this boy that writes this song, Malaka, he's gonna have 1 million followers. Wait and check.
Yeah.
We're gonna find us on the stream. Okay, let's go to the top down. Now for the rap. Let me put down the chill music. Hype though, man. Like I woke up. I feel like I got a slap.
There you go.
Let's go back to the chill trading music. So welcome in, guys. Welcome in, tribe. Welcome in, Ed.
Thank you.
Good morning, bro. Zyper is in. Good morning, bro. Dennis. Zyper, I showed you caught the cells. Ed was talking about. So let's see the monthly first. Let's go celebrate this monthly liquidity grab that we're gonna see today if we break the low.
Celebrate the monthly liquidity grab.
No top week on the previous month, no bottom week, not a very trustworthy bottom week on the current month. Huge liquidity grab from upside. Of course, we are bullish, we can still drive up, but huge top week. If we reject and we come back and break these lows this month, I think we can see some bleeding action on the monthly and then some more normal price action, but that's some more hard time frame thoughts right there. Let's go see the weekly. The parabolic crypto coin. Look at that weekly thing. 10 candles in a row. Bullish. The first candle attempting to go bearish. We are currently moving bearish, but let's see how we're gonna close. We need, how many days? It's Thursday. We need till tomorrow, so probably we're gonna close bearish if we continue this action today and tomorrow. Nice week, nice healthy week. We slightly broke the previous weekly highs as well. If you see, a lot of buy orders were sitting here. A lot of people were listening on news. Gold is gonna go up. Gold is pumping. And these guys just bought. And you can see we just liquidity grabbed everyone, broke the highs, and then just almost bled to the lows. We respected the lows though. We didn't break the previous weekly lows as far of now. But let's see. Currently we are deciding, we're trying to decide, rejecting the lows and trying to go up. And trying to decide where the weekly wanna go. So let's go see the daily, see some more information on the day. Daily, yeah. If you see the previous day, it was a very healthy bearish candle. The first one closing below the range. Let me zoom in the chart a bit. Let me put in the support. So as you can see, we have a support right here that we broke below with this bearish daily candle, but this bearish candle now here, it's not very trustworthy. The previous day we came up, we made a pretty good top week, I would say. It's not the best, but okay, we have one. Then we came down, we bled. We didn't reach any support, so we have some range to fill on the daily. We didn't bleed all the way down. But this candle rejected and then closed small body. And if we understand where it rejected from, you're gonna see that, okay, on the daily we have a resistance right here. And I think Ed talked about it as well, and I agree, like we rejected exactly about from that. And I told it yesterday as well on the stream. If you guys missed it, you can go watch it. That, okay, we are bearish, but we are approaching this zone overall, and we are on a bullish overall trend. So if you see the hard time frames, they are bullish. If you see the daily, it's fully bullish. Of course, we can continue this rally on the upside after grabbing some liquidity out of the lows. We needed the pullback. We got the pullback. So now the daily could close support and could go on and you know, attempt to go to the highs. Attempt to go to the highs. But let's see. Still we can bleed, still we can pump up. I'm open for both. We don't have a trustworthy top week or bottom week. We can still break bottom week and bleed. We can still break top week and pump. If we break the previous daily highs, I think we are gonna see a retest of that area. If we break the current daily lows, I think we can see a previous daily week fill, which is pretty nice as a target. So let's go see more information on the 4 hour, on the 30, on the 1 hour. Let's see some more trading action here. So the 4 hour is heavily rejecting that resistance. If you see, that's actually like easy to identify. You know, no top week on the previous 4 hour, no bottom week on the current 4 hour. Current 4 hour went up, rejected that resistance. Where is the 4 hour wanna go? You know, probably down to create a bottom week. So it makes sense to go down, so the sells probably made sense if you guys caught them. For me, I'm looking for either a breakout above or a breakout below, you know me. And yeah, basically we have another support here on the 4 hour. We can break below, we can break above. So we are waiting on the 4 hour. We have nothing right now. And let's see if we can take advantage of this range on this 4 hour intra-London session. So let me delete the annotations. Let me drop down to the 1 hour. 1 hour, we see that we got a breakout actually. And that's where things starting to get a bit confusing for the new traders at least. So we had a 1 hour breakout, we had the resistance, we have a support, we have a now 1 hour breakout. If you see here, this 1 hour breakout is a previous 4 hour closing with no top wick, 1 hour no top wick as well. Current 1 hour as 4 hour, you can see no bottom wick, drive all the way up. That 4 hour resistance, it was somewhere around here where we rejected. So now we are gonna possibly ask ourselves, where does price on the 1 hour wanna go? Like, we are trending above still, we are not below that range. So we are bullish. If we close like bearish now, if we manage to make a bottom wick, which I think it's very hard, we have like less than a minute on the clock. But if we do it, and then we have a resistance being formed right here, then we can wait for another bullish breakout above with a nice wick fill to the left. I think those buys are looking clean. And if we close like dodgy bullish or like this ugly closure, like this is an ugly closure, like ugly closure. But if we close like that, I mean, just waiting for another range to be formed on the 1 hour, I guess. Nothing on the 1 hour for me. And the 30, let's see. Yeah, the 30 is actually better, to be fair. So we had the same resistance here. If you guys see, the same as the 1 hour. We are having no bottom wick on the 1 hour. Is that 30 having no bottom wick? If you see, this 1 hour closed ugly, and this 30 closed resistance. So we have a resistance here on the 30, and if we see a breakout above here, I can easily say that we can take a buy to approach to these resistances to the left. Don't forget the daily can become bearish, can become bullish, so I'm both open for buys and sells today. I'm not gonna get biased in one direction. For sells, we need the double trouble, so I like the sells. I have no issue with the sells. So for the sells, I would expect this candle to close bullish, and then we see another basically bearish closure below. And, then we can take, you know, support here. We can be okay, like it's gonna retest, and then we can take the bleeder to that support to the left. So let's see, that's the plan. That's the top down. So let's wait patiently for that, and yeah, guys, let's enjoy London. Malaka Ed, you took anything?
No, but here I'm about to. If we break these highs,
sells, huh?
yeah. If we can break these highs on the 30-minute, I'm gonna have a sell stop on the current low. I just want to see a little nice push up, and then I'll have the sell stop.
Yo.
Nice
Yo,
stop,
Cypher.
Cypher, welcome, bro. Good morning.
Thank you.
Good morning.
I sent
Alright.
my trade in Zoom chat.
Yeah, let me take a look.
You took the 15 cells.
Yeah, beautiful sell. But I didn't really like it because it was not at the opening, and you know, so I took it only with the 5 MGC on one account.
Okay.
So, but I got like,
You didn't trust the lot.
no, I didn't trust the sell, no. But I saw that we could come back down and, you know, make a bottom wick for the 4 hours. So
Where did you send it in, Cypher? On the Zoom chat?
yeah, Zoom chat.
Ah, okay.
Tap the TP pretty much, you know, exactly.
Yeah, nice trade.
Yeah.
Bro, you printing out here, man. You printing on the new instant funded.
This trade I took with the old one.
With the what?
This trade I took with the old.
The challenge
funded
account.
Yeah.
Nice, but you're getting it back to like to be able to take another payout from it. You know, you're getting it back up.
Yeah. So now I'm up 800 on that account. So I have some pips to go now.
You have some buffer at least, bro.
Exactly.
They put back my profits since
buffer is good.
Monday. Yeah.
Zyper, the important question of the day, man, like, how's the head?
Yeah, what happened?
Yeah.
Can you explain? Like, I'm so confused. What happened?
Nah, it's not confusing. I went out for you know, take the last pee of the day before I went to bed, and I tripped over, you know, the ground is pretty much how do I say it?
Gravel.
No, it's not. It's not straight. It's like
Crooked.
Slidey.
Yeah, pretty much.
Like a ramp?
I don't know. I don't know how to say it. Anyway, so I
Slippery.
not slippery. It's not.
Was it a
straight.
step?
It's not straight. So when I walked, I was pretty much walking straight and kinda to the right at the same time because I couldn't move in a straight line, and then I bumped into a rock with my foot, and
You have a rock in the middle of the house, but like, where are you living?
I tripped on a rock and fell straight down and boom, bashed my head right down to another big rock, and it was not a flat rock too. It was like a round rock, kind of spiky rock, you know. So it hit pretty much the left side, straight over my teeth, you know.
Oof.
Yeah. So almost hit the head.
Oh, that would have been very bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, that would be very bad.
Yeah, it was right under.
Why do you have these rocks though on the
Why do you have rocks in your home?
Yeah, it's flowers inside the rocks, you know.
Ma, like I remove
Inside
them,
the
bro.
rocks formation. So, and you know this. I don't know.
This is a trap right there, man. Like this is not a decoration.
It's the
you
fake
know
out.
the missiles, the burn that burns you.
Hmm?
I don't know.
The missiles that burn you?
I'm gonna send a picture.
Cyber
Dennis,
got
good morning,
rocks
bro. How are
and
you?
missiles in his
Forgot
home.
to ask you. Everything good?
Huh?
Yeah.
I'm asking Dennis, how are you? How is he? But like we forgot about Dennis. He's always in. Forgot to ask him how is he.
Dennis the Menace.
Dennis the menace. Malaka Ed, you gotta take those cells. You have
Yeah,
a healthy top week now.
I changed it out. Instead of taking out the GC, I have MGC.
Yeah, they need to come up with a less liquidity chart also. Name it like a... I don't know.
I
This is
sent,
like-
Than empty.
I sent a
100
picture in
tops.
Zoom.
Okay, let's see. Let's take a look
You
at
know
this.
these weeds that burns you.
Ah,
Is it
I know what you
Brandella?
mean. Yeah.
They burns you. So
Yeah.
I was I didn't have a shirt on me when I fell, and I fell straight into them. And
Why do you have those in your house?
My whole
Bro,
arm.
you fell outside the house or
Yeah,
inside?
outside. Yeah, outside.
Oh.
I was going to pee outside, and I tripped over a rock, and I fell straight.
I thought you were gonna
into
pee in the
them.
toilet, Malaka.
No, fuck that. I was going to pee outside and
To water the plants.
maybe puke too before I went to bed, because I could sleep in peace. But then I tripped over a rock. I fell straight into these weeds and burned my whole arm, and hit my head on the rock, and boom.
What do you call them in Swedish? Those?
Brännässlor.
We call them brandnella.
Yeah,
call them-
pretty
Yeah.
much same.
Yeah.
We call them chuknida.
Chuck the Chuck Norris flower.
Chuknida, man.
In Denmark, they make soup with that flour or with
Yeah,
that.
we
That's
can do
the
it
same
too.
in Greece.
Yeah, we can
It's
do it
actually
too.
really healthy.
Yeah.
And a tea.
Yeah.
Yeah. We can do it too, but damn, if you touch them, it burns your whole
Yeah,
arm. So
it
I
does.
fell
It
straight
depends.
into.
It depends. Some people don't get a burn. Some people get.
Yeah, but
It depends on the skin.
yeah, but I have a pretty weak skin.
But Malaka, that night, bro, like you got bitten by that. You fell on the rock. Like,
yeah,
Careful, Malaka.
I fell in like 100 of these flowers, and then I also hit my head, and I went in. I fell asleep, and the next day, everything was just going around and around and around in my head. So I puked like all day yesterday, and that was not because I was hungover. You know, when you're hungover,
no, it
you
was because of your head, bro.
yeah, when you're hungover, you pretty much just puke one time.
Yeah.
and
But
it's
you are
all
fine
done.
now.
Yeah, no, I'm fine. I still have some, you know, it still hurts a little bit on my head, but I don't care. Fuck it.
Bro, if the dizziness doesn't go though, in like today, you should go
Yeah.
check it up because you might like the brain is the head is
Yeah.
dangerous, man. Like you need
Yeah.
to check it up.
Yeah, no, but I didn't
Never
really
know.
hit my head, you know, the brain. I hit like straight, you know, beside my ear, pretty much under the head.
Yeah, lucky, man. Like because if you hit the whole head, bro, like oof,
Yeah, I would have been fucking dead now, bro.
you would be passed out, bro. Passed out, not dead, but
Yeah.
Yo,
Luckily, I didn't pass out, so I'm
Oh,
fine.
look.
But that hurt, but I'm fine. I'm fine.
good morning, PM.
PM Magnifico in the chat. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Kalimera.
PM is
Talk about
waiting
2
for-
PM.
Support buys here,
Exactly, bro. PM is looking for the buys.
and I'm looking for the sells.
You are looking for the sells. I'm looking for a breakout. Like we have variety here, guys.
Yeah, I'm looking
Exactly.
for only on buy now.
I'm the only one looking for sells.
No, I
Nah.
agree with sells. I like the sells. I agree with
if
the
this
sells.
15 closes bullish, I'm gonna delete.
Yeah, I want it to close bullish, and the next candle comes down and create a lower wick for the 4-hour, and then we can push back up, because I believe we can, you know, keep going up now. If you look at the 4-hour, we pretty much create
I'm on
a
my
new
stop, so I'll stop to
strong
the
support
previous
above
one here.
this resistance to the left too. But I don't know.
Or
I
the
just-
sells are done for me.
yeah.
PM writes. Bro, be careful with the sells. When the market maker writes that,
Yeah.
better to look for buys. And
Yeah, PM knows.
the market maker called it.
It is true.
But he can't write it directly, right? He can't tell to you like, I know what's gonna happen, so he writes it like,
I'm with PM on this one.
this zone right now is the major support for me, also makes sense to the left. Yeah, I'm looking for this breakout. This support, you mean, probably. Yeah.
I'm with PM. Sales are done for me too. And we still have some good range to the upside also, so might be down to take some buys later on.
I would love to see daily bleeding though, so
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, for me, I'm looking at the 4-hour. It top target, no bottom wick, no top wick on the previous. Like for me, I'm taking these sells every day.
Yeah, 100%. I still want to see a lower wick created on this 4-hour. Maybe try and fill the whole range on the 4-hour before
Yeah.
we keep on pushing up. Because that will give us a good confirmation that we are ready to go up soon. So, yeah, sell still makes sense. But I'm glad I took the sales back up. You know, I caught like 60 pips.
Yeah.
I didn't see how big the stop loss were going to be, but so I only entered with like 5 MGC because I thought the stop loss were like.
Yeah, the ranges are getting a little bit smaller now.
So if I saw like 30 pips drawdown only, I would have gotten in with like 2 contracts GC,
Yeah.
but I didn't do it. And then I would have been maxed out on my account, but that's fine. That's fine. I'm up 280, so
Let's see, 2 minutes left. If we get the bullish closure, then I'm gonna delete.
yeah.
Are you guys looking for the onion on the 15 or the 30?
30 maybe. Depends. If we can get this pack runner on the next 15, we go down and create a lower wick for the 4-hour. I might be down to take.
Yeah, man, enjoy your
the
work, bro.
15.
Come back for NY. Have a blessed one, bro. Have a good
Peace.
day at work.
PM heading out.
Yeah, PM is gonna come for NY.
Alright. PM, pull up for the Zoom for NY if you can. It's been a while.
He has some market making to do.
Exactly. We need that insider knowledge. We need
He
that
needs to
insider.
go to fix the algo, he told me before NY.
Clubhouse is also looking for this onion bias potentially. That's a good sign. I saw it right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna delete too.
But I
All
still
right.
want to see this pack runner on the next 15 coming down and smacking this.
Yeah, Packy would
4
be
hour.
nice for buys.
Yeah, 100%.
A Manny
Depends on-
Pacquiao.
Depends on how we close on this candle. We need to close strong.
We need to close Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah. Then we can have like this week fill as a break-even target, and the whole
Yeah,
range-
the Wakefield is very nice.
Yeah. Then we take the whole range as a full TP up like, what is it, like 300 pips? No, 120 pips only. That's not bad, not bad.
Not too shabby.
So I'm up this week, on all accounts combined, I'm up like 2k. Isn't it crazy?
In
No.
1 week, that's crazy,
Yeah.
bro.
I only traded like, this is the third day of
The
trading.
week isn't even over yet. Like we still have today and tomorrow left, so it's
Yeah,
crazy.
Malakas, don't be so focused on the money because this money is gonna be 12k soon if you don't get
Yeah.
focused.
Yeah, like
it's just fun to think about it.
It is. But this money is nothing, bro, compared to what you're gonna make in the future.
100%.
oh yeah, this is like
This is pennies right now. You're
Yeah.
gonna buy chewing gum with this money, Malak.
this
Yeah,
money
yeah.
right here is for the dog food, Malaka.
Yeah, exactly. Like 2k, like golden dog food, bro.
I maybe need to have a shield day today too, but
I told my friend that has that wrote the song Malaga to come by. So when he comes in, I'm
Does he
gonna
speak
put the song
English?
once again. What?
huh?
Does he speak English?
Yeah, of course, bro.
Okay.
Everyone
okay.
speaks English nowadays, Malaga. Like, who doesn't?
Nah, Malaka, there is people that don't speak English. Trust me.
In Greece, I don't know why, but all of like you are not gonna meet someone that doesn't know anything. Like you will be able to talk with most.
Yeah,
At least
Sweden
the
too.
basics.
Sweden
At
too.
least the
Like
basics.
Yeah, and Denmark.
99% of all Swedish people know English.
Like in Copenhagen, you would go to restaurants that don't even speak Danish. They speak English.
Yeah, that's like
Then when you go to Spain, no one speaks
yeah.
English or anything else.
yeah, bro. In Italy, they don't like. In Italy, they don't like it, so they know it, but they're not gonna reply. Like I went to buy a coffee in Milan when I was speaking English. This girl didn't reply to me, but she understood everything. Like she made my coffee perfect. Because I got nothing from her. Like not even a thank you, nothing.
Yeah.
It was like not talking. Like English, fuck off. No, I'm gonna make your coffee. Fuck off.
Are you taking the buys here?
I don't really know. I don't really like how the 15 closed. We closed pretty weak, so
Malagas, you need to take some buys to take a W to put the rap song after. Come on, take it.
I might just wait for the.
Take it for the story.
Ooh.
Who has the balls to take a trade for the story now? Let's see.
That will be the dogs.
Me on the practice account.
I'm gonna wait for the 30 closure.
Okay, while we wait for that, I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick.
Do it.
Yeah.
And remember to mute your mic. I don't want to hear any, you know.
Yeah, don't forget.
So how was your day yesterday? You had a better day than me, I guess.
Yeah, it
Well-
was fine. Slow day, bro. Nothing crazy happened. Like, no, nothing in the charts.
Yeah.
We had some breakouts, but no entries. And then I went, I was planning to go to the cinema, but the movie was so late.
Yeah.
So we canceled the movie. I'm gonna go probably today,
Yeah.
earlier. So just chilling in the house.
Nice.
Not feeling dizzy though, Malak.
My yesterday was a weird day for me. I was.
Yeah, bro. I
laying
feel
in
you,
the
Malak.
couch.
I hate dizziness as well. It's like very bad.
Yeah, I was laying in the couch the whole day. I was like, you know, I was out pretty much the whole day. But I was trying to keep it up in chat. I wanted to join you guys on Zoom, but I couldn't really speak yesterday. So I could write on in the chat, but I couldn't really focus on speaking yesterday. So I didn't want to show up and, you know, not speak.
Yeah, bro. It's fine. Take your time. Like
Yeah.
we can
I
take a.
Yeah. But I caught that bang and
Sure.
trade though.
Yeah, nice one, bro.
Yeah.
Made money at least.
God damn, yeah. I made like 1100 from the couch when I was pretty much almost passed out. I don't take any days off, bro. Not from trading. It's too easy to trade to take a day
Yeah,
off.
I mean, you just press a button, it's nothing,
Yeah.
so why take a
Yeah.
day off?
I mean, I come from a work where you have to work like 15 hours even if you're sick, and you are never home. So this is nothing, bro. Work-wise, this is nothing. So I had to pull up to the charts and make some magic happen. And of course I did.
You took cells.
Yeah, I took that
Cells, I remember.
that onion. I don't even remember where it was. Because,
I think it was the only move that happened actually, like that you could take
Yeah.
advantage also, like
It
nice
was a
cut.
bleeder. I believe it was the late one here. Yeah, at 10 a.m. I believe, 10:30 EST. Yesterday, post NY pretty much. And it bled.
10:30, it's late and why, yeah.
Yeah, bled crazy. Yeah, down there. I caught like what was it?
500 pips.
I think I caught like 110 pips on that one.
That's 100
And then it used like 500 pips after that. Crazy.
Yeah, the moves are like. So we might get this breakout above. I like it. 137 pip stop loss though, large stop loss. We can also see a support. So if we see a support, tribe, what I'm looking at is basically, let's say we close a support. So let's say we have here a support also. We have a range now. We have price trapped from both sides. Let me
I
use
am
the green
back,
correction.
Malakas.
Malaka, that was a slow bathroom for you.
Cause I'm sick, Malak.
Yeah.
My body's not working as it
It's not the
does.
best week for the tribe, Malaka. Everyone is sick, dizzy. We're gonna have better days soon, Malakas. We're gonna have better
The
days.
charts are good, but
Yeah. So what I'm looking at, if we close like that support, then I look for a breakout above. Let's say we close like that. Yeah. But with a better candle, not that ugly. And then if we don't close like that, we can close bearish below. And then we have nice opportunities for both sides. Boom. You have the support, resistance, broke below, then boom, you're gonna bleed. I'm drawing bad, but you get the idea. So waiting, 9 minutes, 8 minutes actually.
Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, man.
Bro, I still feel pretty weird today.
Yeah. Like,
Yeah, it's the head, bro.
Yeah.
Everything got dislocated inside, bro. You need time now.
Yeah, I'm not gonna drink anymore now, bro. That was the last time. I mean, the first time I've been drinking since like 3 months ago. I just had to have a drink, you know, after all this.
after the
success.
payout.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
needed
but
it.
Malaka, you didn't have a drink. You had a whole bottle.
Yeah, that is kind of really small
Like-
drink for me,
A whole bottle is 10 drinks, Malaka. Come on.
bro. It was just 3 glasses. I emptied
Malaka.
a full bottle.
Bro, that's not a drink. That's like...
It was like 700 milliliters, you know, so
Malaka.
almost a full liter of whiskey, 40%.
That's
Crazy.
crazy.
Nah, that's
I
normal.
used to drink a lot, but if I do that now, bro, I'm done.
Yeah, I couldn't take
done.
it this time. I'm not used to drinking anymore.
I mean, the body should never.
Yeah, bro, it's like bro, like I feel it now because I've passed through times in my 18 that I used to party a lot, like go out with my friends. My friends used to do a very popular part in Greece also. Like a lot of people, we used to drink a lot and stuff, and then bro, like I can now feel the poison inside my. I don't know how to explain it to you. Like it's poison, bro. It's like.
It is.
You wake up the next day and it's basically, bro, it's like you drink. It's actually like you drinking poison. Like you don't feel it that time, but. Oof.
Alcohol is legit poison for the body.
Yeah, alcohol. It's.
And it's proven to cause cancer as well.
Yeah, usually I pretty much drink a whole bottle, and I still get like 5 beers too before I black out. But this time I couldn't take it. So nah, I think it was one of the last times now.
Yeah,
Next time I drink, I only take like 1 glass or something, just for the sip of it.
Bro, just drink a beer or 2, like.
Nah, don't drink any. If you wanna drink something, drink a protein shake.
Yeah, or water.
Or water.
Yeah. Or
Drink
I
water
say
with
water
some
with
vitamins or
vodka.
something.
You know what? It's good if you wanna drink something and you don't wanna drink alcohol. You can drink like carbonated water. This is like for me when I go out, and the others have a drink. For me, a Perrier or something, it works fine because you don't drink it very fast, so you can keep your glass.
Yeah.
And you can like.
Or if you want something that's a little bit healthier that has alcohol in it, you can drink kombucha.
Imagine going with a kombucha on the bar, like a grandma in the bar. Do you have kombucha, please?
Malaka, you know, when I was younger, like in Hawaii, when I was in Hawaii, I saw this kombucha. I didn't know what it was, so I bought it because I thought it was healthy. It is. People say it is healthy. I haven't really done too much research, but then I take a sip and I taste the alcohol. I'm like, what the hell did I just buy, Malakas? And then I see it has like 0.5% alcohol, and I throw it out.
You drank it, Malaka. When I was a kid in Greece, we have like a PM will know for sure, and then we have raki. Raki, it's like a very traditional drink, 70% alcohol, like 60. It's very strong.
Ah, that's crazy.
But it's like very traditional, like Tsipur, raki and stuff. They are very traditional food, like very, very traditional.
Malaka, that's why Greek people are crazy.
Yeah, and actually, like health-wise, forget about the alcohol. It's healthy as a drink if it doesn't have alcohol because it comes from healthy stuff, but never mind. And then I was in my friend's place. His parents probably had a bottle of raki, but because it's traditional, you don't buy it from a shop, right? You buy it from like someone who produces it. So it usually comes into bottles of water. So the bottle in the fridge was looking like water because this is like, it's looking like water also, the drink. And as a kid, I was like very thirsty after playing football. I opened the fridge, I opened the bottle and I drink like, I don't know how much.
Yeah.
And then on the last sip, I felt the alcohol, the burn everywhere, bro. Like, and I was like,
when I was like,
drunk as a kid after, bro. I was drunk.
Yeah. When I was a kid, I accidentally drank like vodka because I thought it was water.
Yeah, it looks like, yeah.
Malaka, I took a big sip of it too. Ooh, it was so disgusting.
Yeah, vodka is pretty much only chemicals. I don't like vodka.
Like in my opinion, any alcohol flavor is bad. Like I would never.
Bro, like even if you love alcohol, you are gonna agree on that, bro. The taste is awful. Like, come on.
Yeah, it tastes like shit.
Like no one likes it.
When I was like 10 years old, my father had like this bottle of whiskey, like a Lafroid, really fine whiskey, and I didn't drink the whole bottle. I just went there and sipped on it. Sometimes when I was like 10 years old because I liked
Sometimes.
Yeah, when
Sometimes after school I felt like it.
And my dad always knew I did it, but he didn't say anything because I only took like a small sip now and then, you know. And I was like looking at me, what? Okay. Don't put water in the bottle though, because then you destroy the alcohol. I was like,
drink it correctly at least.
Yeah, exactly. Drink it correctly.
You might be 7 years old, but drink it correctly if you
drink it like a man.
Yeah, drink it like a man.
Yeah.
Bro,
My
say,
son
straight
is
when you
gonna
get a
drink-
kid, no milk, just pure alcohol.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
What is breast milk, bro?
The,
Just
the,
whiskey.
the kid is gonna become immune to every disease in the world, Malaka.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not gonna have an organ to feel any disease. Everything
Oh.
is gonna be destroyed.
I won't go to like come up and close around 32 because then we have a pretty strong closure. If we close. If we
That support
close-
for me works because if we get that support now, when you get a breakout on the next candle for that clean range and for the bottom
Yeah.
wick,
Yeah.
I'm gonna bark.
32.
for the
Is it
for
the
onion.
15 area? Is it a 15 area?
Yeah, if you look to the left, it's a small area on the left, but I don't look at that so much. I just wanted to close around 32 to make a strong closure. No.
What about the 29.7? There's like a resistance there on the 30.
Yeah, I see it, but then you have to look at the candle. It's it have to close strong, you know. Otherwise, it's just a
What if we
rejecting
get a
price.
pack runner and then a wick
Yeah.
fill?
Yeah, if we get a pack runner, that's the only case I'm gonna take this trade, even if we close weak. But then I have to have a pack runner. I don't know if that's your plan, but that's pretty
I
much.
think a pack runner would be nice.
Yeah, a pack runner would be nice, even if we close weak. But I want to see.
Guys, look at the best plan. The best plan is you see the 1 hour, 1 hour heavy rejection.
Yeah.
No top wick. This candle open, rejected. This candle opens, reject. So if we see a 30 support, as we see now, we can put a line now here. Perfect, Malaga. This perfect.
Yeah.
So we
now I
don't
want to
have
see
1 hour
yeah.
rejections now. If we see this candle breaking below here, with this 4 hour and this 1 hour, bro, I'm not only gonna take sales, I'm gonna sell my house on these sales.
And your dogs.
It aligns, like it aligns super with everything. We have a rejection week, 4 hour rejecting that zone, no bottom look on the 4 hour. I mean, like 30 breakout. What more can you ask for?
I agree. And I think if I get a pack runner here, I'm gonna have a buy stop. If I don't get activated, I'm gonna wait for the closure below and I'm gonna have sell stops.
Yeah, but the buy stop, don't expect it to run like 10.
Nah, I'm just expecting a wick fill.
Yeah, the wick fill is looking perfect actually.
But it's for only if we get the packy.
Because we need the top wick, right, for the 30 breakout, so you can take the buy inside the range.
The
Yeah,
Manny Packy out.
I'm actually have a buy stop here. I like that we have a steep bottom weight now. It's
Yeah.
not really a pack runner, but you know,
Say less. I'm joining you.
I mean we have like 40 pips as bottom weight too, and we almost came down to re-break these lows. So I'm gonna go like 5 MGC.
Yeah, me too.
Go 10, don't be...
If you go 10, might as well just do 1 GC at that point.
Do 15 then.
Then do 2
Yeah,
GC.
no. 5 MGC. I'm gonna go pretty much break even at the wick fill. Full
Buddy.
TP will be pretty much 40, 39. If we break this low one more time, I believe I'm a size up.
Sizing up.
No.
Let's go, pump it up. It's coming, pump it up. I don't know the lyrics, but you get the whole point. We need to pump it up.
So this might be a risky trade because we didn't close so strong, and we
Malaga.
might come down to take the pack runner, but yeah, I'm gonna take my chances.
Like I was starting singing Pump It Up and my dogs went crazy. You guys pump it up. You got it, pump it up. This dog is going.
Is it the
What
black
is-
one?
You like the song? Malaga.
Is it velvet?
Yeah, of course, bro. Malaga. Craziness in here. Velvet is going crazy. Pirate is barking at Velvet.
But 15 doesn't look so good though. Sheesh.
Yeah, we should go up. Velvet is getting hyped.
Let's see.
I want a stronger closure, but I'm gonna be down to take this. Now if we come back and re-break the lows, I'm a 100% be in this. But it's a riskier trade though.
Yeah, so lower contract size.
Yeah.
Lower size.
Yeah.
How big
And
is
you see-
5 MGC, then I'm only risking like.
See the breakout
200.
with the downside, the breakout with the downside.
Yeah, I'm like only risking 200 on this trade. Usually I'll
Yeah.
risk like way more.
Yeah, same.
At least you know that it's a risky move.
Risk it for the biscuit, Malak.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we had like a A+ setup now, I would be down to risk like 600.
So you took a buy stop based on the 30.
Yeah. The
Uh-huh.
30 break of high. But I want to see us come back down a little bit more before we break the highs. Just to make sure. Potentially even break this previous candle. Just because then we tap in some sellers, and then we are.
Yeah, these fast sellers that were not being able to wait for the breakout, which I'm waiting for.
Exactly.
You're gonna fake them out, weak fill, stop them out, and then bleed
No.
and break below.
There you go.
Now.
Oof, this breakout below. Oof, this breakout below, bro. Oof.
Now
Only-
all the sellers is.
Now
in
if we
now.
break the highs, it's gonna be very nice.
Yeah, true.
Because now we have this 30 salary to the downside, and
50 pips tops.
people are being activated. We might just use down, but
Yeah, if we come down, that's also perfectly fine.
yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna come up for this top week now, make a better top week, and then bleed. Oh, look at that.
Damn.
Yeah, no, I'm deleting.
No,
Alright,
bro, don't keep them.
Oh, sheesh.
this is the liquidity grab.
Yeah,
Keep them.
look at this.
4-hour flip. That's why.
130 pips stop
Yeah.
loss.
Yeah, now we're gonna come up, create a top week, and then bleed again.
Yeah, I'm a delete. I'm a wait.
Now we can get a pack winner to the downside.
Yeah, if we can get
No,
this.
bro, no pack runner.
Yeah!
No
If we
pack
can-
runner.
if we can get this 15 salary closure, but I don't think we. Nah, we might just use now.
Look at that.
Yeah, this was what I was.
Perfect idea. Perfect idea. Let's see if we get the entry though. We might bleed. We might not get even the entry here. But these sells made total sense for me.
I was
Yeah.
waiting for that 4-hour to flip bearish, Malakas.
Look at that. Every time frame bearish now. Look at that. The daily has even room to go weak fill.
Yeah,
and
the
go-
daily has room to wick fill.
And go here. Like for me, sells are looking good. Buys are looking also good if we break these daily highs, but not now.
Yeah,
Not
for what I
now. For me,
said,
sells are good.
in my top down too, like both sells and buys are good here today.
Yeah, I saw your top down.
They're both
But
up
of
for
course we
grabs.
can come up, we can come down for this bottom week on the 4-hour. We can come up, like we can do crazy stuff today. Like everything is possible. But this sells, bro, made sense. Look at that. Look
If
at
this
that
4-hour can close below that support on the 4-hour for New York
Like,
session, then it's gonna be
break-
clean to come down.
break of this low on the 30. I think Raja was in those sells impulsively. Like it made sense. I think if I put his stories, let's check if today check it. He might took that. It's an impulse trade.
Yeah.
Boom, closed a dodgy 15, like weak support, and then broke below. Like you could have sell stops below this week, you could have sell stops below this week, but
Yeah.
look what an impulsive move. Look at that. Range fill almost.
Volume is
Oh.
in.
Yeah,
Like a target is almost tapped here.
yeah,
if we
range fill almost.
come down to 89, it's pretty much over.
Yeah, I would like to see this 4-hour just close below the support for NY session. Like, if I don't get anything here for London, I would love to see London set up nicely for NY.
Yeah, but guys, don't forget, we had so much time of bullish run,
Yeah.
which we might see some ranges being formed and some rangy price action also.
Yeah.
Like we can range on this 4-hour range for sure. And close again on the
Yeah,
daily.
yeah. But once we do close above or below, it's clean range to either side.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is.
Like the 4-hour range right here is a range that once we break out of that, whatever side we break out to, it's gonna be money.
Oh, let's wait. Time to wait.
Yep.
Are you still gonna take this, Alex?
I need to see a pullback. Like if I see a closure like that, nah. If I see a pullback though, when it closes okay, then yeah. We have a nice weak fill also.
We are pip hunting. Pip hunting. I'm up 280 for the day, and that's when the coffee didn't even went cold yet. Man, trading is crazy. Crazy. Huh?
You see, but like you don't even have time for the coffee to get cold.
Mm-hmm.
This is what trading's all about. You wake
Yeah,
up, make money, and now you're chilling.
Yeah, I took you know, I took the trade, and then when the trade was done, my coffee was still too hot to drink.
That's the indicator right there.
Yeah.
If your coffee's still too hot to drink after you just took a W, you're living life.
Yeah, exactly, and that's like 8:30 in the morning,
Yeah.
and I made like 2 daily incomes, you know.
Yeah. You made
Imagine there's still people out there going to work, and I made the two daily work salaries before they even started.
Mhm.
Isn't it crazy?
That's the beauty of it, man. It's the freedom we
Yeah.
get.
I like to talk about it, even if it's not really about the money, but it's so it hyped me up so
Yeah.
much when I talk about it, because it's actually real.
Really getting to see the benefits of being consistent to the plan. Like we're
Yeah,
finally
bro.
Yeah.
starting to get
But
money
this is
from
only
it.
true when you know what you're doing, because if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna lose people's money.
Yeah, and now I'm starting to get get
So
the hang
that's
of
not
it,
the
you know?
magic of trading, Malaga. That's the magic of following a playbook when you trade, because trading can fuck you up. You can lose everything. But following a playbook when you're trading and trading discipline is gonna make you more money than you ever thought.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just don't give up. Don't give up, and it will happen. 100%. Stay consistent to the plan. Don't break the plan. You have to lose everything to win everything. And I've lost so much these last 2 years, and now I'm starting to see the results. I mean, first payout, and now I'm pretty much up for another payout if I take like 4 good trades more. You know, it's crazy. In 1 month. Nah, it's crazy to even think about it. You know, I'm up over 2K in 3 days now this week, and I just had a payout.
Yeah.
And people are struggling, sitting in traffic all the days.
And the shitty weather.
Yeah. Going
Especially when you live in the Scandinavian countries, bro. Like right now, Denmark's weather is so bad.
Yeah, same. it rains and it's cold. You
Ugh.
know, you get sick all the time. They wake up when their alarm goes off. They go to their job. Hi, boss. Yeah.
And you know, that's the thing as well. Stress, I believe, ages you a lot.
Yeah, 100%.
And us living a life like this, stress-free from a very young age as well, is so like once we hit 50s, like we're not even gonna look like we're 50.
Yeah, but the thing is, we have the amount of stress these people have over a lifetime. We have this stress the first 2 years of this trading industry. So when we are like 22, 23, when we start to get the hang of this trading thing, we have been stressing more than these people have been stressing all their life. But then it's over for us, and we don't stress anymore. But they have this long-term stress, you know. We are stressing a lot the first 2 years, but then we are good. We don't have to stress anymore. So I mean, yeah. But yeah, we don't have any stress when we get the hang of it, when we know what we are doing.
Exactly.
Keeping it chill.
And if you're stressed from trading, that means you're trading too much money.
Yeah, or you know, you're in the learning phase.
Oh yeah, you're
And
learning.
that's when you're stressing too much.
If we close like that, some people ask.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we close like that, and let's say we leave a week fill, let's say we close like that. Let's say we close that here, and we leave a week fill, then yes, I'm gonna basically have a sell limit. 1 hour is gonna close resistance. Not the best closure though, because from the point you get activated, you are very close to getting stopped out, but it's a very quick trade.
Yeah, it's
So
like
when price
29
taps
pip.
here, basically, I've seen it happening a lot of times, that's why I'm gonna take it, but basically, when it taps here, you need the perfect opening on the candle, just open and come up. If it opens and comes up and taps here, we expect a quick push down. If we don't get this quick push down, this could be a very quick loss also. So if you are okay with that risk, you can take it. Like, it's my playbook, I'm gonna take it for sure. But for you guys that are new to the strategy, I think you can avoid it as well. Like, it's not the best, but it's not bad.
Yeah, can I ask a question about this setup?
Yeah, of course. bro.
So, are you not thinking about having like the stop loss above the 1 hour high instead?
No,
That
never.
gives
Always
room.
before the previous. No, because I have no targets. I am targeting 1-to-1 based on the 30, so no.
Okay. So-
Unfortunately,
yeah,
it
yeah.
would be a better stop loss, but
Yeah.
my strategies don't allow because
Okay.
then I need the price to drive for 115 pips, and now I need to run for 30. So 30 pips
Yeah.
now it's like 5 pips. So we can
So
get the quick push on the 30.
Yeah. And if you get activated on this trade, what's the risk? Are you still risking 200?
Yeah, always on my large account 200, on my small account 100.
Yeah. So if you get tapped in here, you have like 30 pips to the top side. So you're gonna take like 1.5 contracts. So 15 MGC, right?
1.5 with 30. No, bro.
That makes it like 200.
I'm gonna open 3 MGC for the big one,
Okay.
and then no, 3 MGC for the small one, which is almost 100. How much is it?
Yeah. That makes
It's
sense.
93, and then I'm gonna open 6 probably.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's just my math is not mathing right now, bro.
Yeah, 6 on the large. It's like
Yeah.
around 190, and then 3 on the small. It's around 90.
Yeah.
Something. Yeah, 93.
Makes sense.
But let's see the closure, because this is gonna be like this is a trade you could only like it if you have experience on the strategy. Like, it looks ugly, I can get that, but I've seen price many times. If we have the right opening, let's say we open and we drive exactly up with no bottom wick, then we can see a pump down quick, very quick. We need quick though price
Are you
action. Let's see.
Are you gonna sample size this 15 too?
This 15 looks very nice right now.
This breakout, nah.
It's like
No.
wick fill for me, but I'm looking at it.
Yeah, but if we come all the way up here, I don't know. You can take this break of the lows though. This wick fill looks nice.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
I don't know if you trust the top wick though, because the 30 has no top wick, so we can.
Yeah, that's a
We
thing.
can also come up and just reject the whole zone and close bullish. You never know.
Yeah. Yeah, I might just wait for the 30. I mean, it looks good on the 15 for a wick fill.
Yeah, 1 hour is gonna close well because it's gonna close below, back in the range. So
Yeah, let's just watch. Let's just watch here and see what happens.
it's not looking bad. The only issue that we are exactly at this 4 hour. You see now, we are bullish on the
Yeah.
4 hour, but the good thing is that we rejected that resistance. So there's no way for 4 hour to go up again, all this way. Like it should range.
Yeah, exactly. Now, I don't like the noise to the left for this 15. If this 15 comes up and smacks the highs on this previous candle, and then we come back down and close like celery, you know, and we get the 30 breakout, then I might be down to take a small contract, you know, try and fill the wick. But I don't know. I want to wait for this 30 closure. Potentially, yeah, 15 pack, and then still wait for the 30, because then we have a wick on this 30.
Let's see the 15 here. Let's see how we do. It's not looking
15 is
bad,
doing,
but it's not looking good either. It's like
Yeah,
15 is
exactly.
doing nothing now.
let's see what happens when we break the lows. I just want to see.
Yeah, I think we should pop.
Okay, that would have entered me in if I had stops there. And look at that, straight back up.
Yeah, it's risky, bro. It's very risky.
I believe if we re-break the lows now, we should see a pop to the downside, but yeah, to kind of come down to 11, you know. That's a good place to go break even, and then boom, full TP at Wickfield. But I'm not convinced.
Oh,
yeah.
whoa, it's coming in.
Yeah, so now you should see this.
If this 15 drives for me and then we close overextended on the 30, like this closure for me, I don't like it now. I like this candle to pull back, close around 4123, 41220, like around there. Like this is too much overextension.
If we don't push like now the next like 2 minutes, it's pretty much
Yeah, I would like this
Pattern.
this 15 to come up now.
yeah. So if I were in this trade, yeah, small contracts, and if we don't push in like 4 minutes, I would have pretty much exited. And now when we come back down to
Yeah, we are
11,
attempting to weak fill. Let's see.
yeah,
Let's see.
11 is a good place to go break even. Kill some partials maybe, because then we are tapping into this resistances and supports to the left.
Yeah, we're tapping in a lot of chop. I don't like the 15 cells at all. Like, it can
No.
drive, but
Exactly.
I don't like it. I don't know. It's not my move.
And that's pretty much break even. That's break even. Boom, risk free. If I were to take this trade,
I'm gonna go blow my nose real quick.
yeah. So that's 50 pips, and we should see if we can get this push down to fill the wick and get another 50 pips.
So very slow price action. Like for me, this week has been very slow. Today also London. If
Yeah.
we don't get a pullback, very slow. Like
Yeah.
we are analyzing the market on point. Top down is basically translating in the market on point, but then no entries. Like it's like, but this is trading patience, and you
Yeah.
know most of these breakout traders are gonna lose their accounts now in this market. So we're patiently waiting. We know when to enter or when to not enter. This is a very good trade that the trader needs to have
Oh,
in order to know when to enter, where to enter, and with what risk. Risk management is the most important.
yeah.
Yeah.
And how to
And
know?
that's break even.
And how to know if you're risking a good amount is to look at the trade, and if you're okay with losing that amount no matter what, then you're risking a fine amount.
Yeah, but I can see it like I can see it from the viewers, Malaga. Like the viewers now this week for me has been lowered a lot because I have no trades, I have no action,
And that's
and
fine.
you can see it from the YouTube. Like guys, don't be focused on the trades, be focused on the process. Like if you get focused on the trades, yeah, of course you're gonna find on YouTube another trader that takes like 100 trades a day, but like. You know, the professionals are not trading all the time. The professionals know where to enter, when to enter, and they know how patient they need to be. So if there's a no trading month for me, that's okay. I'm not gonna take a trade for a month. I don't even care, you know. Like,
exactly.
But it's not like you shouldn't care about this. You should care about the top down, analyzing the market, being able to catch the moves without even catching them with real money. You should be able to catch them with your head, like to read the market and just focus on that. Don't focus on the money.
And it's like it doesn't matter if you take a lot or a little amount of trades. At the end of the day, what matters is if you're profitable or not.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly.
And the amount of trades you take is just a dopamine almost. It's like, you know, if you take like 500 trades a day, it's just pure dopamine. Boom, 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 boom. Like you're just chasing the money, but you're not really having a strategy behind it. And a lot of people who start off trading are looking for someone who trades like that. And there's definitely someone who trades like that, who's selling you a course to where they just want your money, right? But
there's definitely a scalper out there that takes 50 trades a day and it's profitable, but at least it's not about the amount of trades, it's about the quality. Like if you're a scalper and you're trading the 1 minute and you do it professionally and profitably, like go ahead, take 100 trades per day, but you know the risk when you scalp, you know the risk when you day trade. Like everything has its flow. So if you're a scalper and you should take a lot of trades, take them, go ahead, but follow your strategy. Like if your strategy shows you 100 trades a day, then take it. But if your strategy doesn't show, don't jump into random trades because you feel like price is gonna go down, you feel like price is gonna go up. Like wait for the price to show you first.
But also for new traders, they might not have a strategy, so they're like a little bit lost. They don't really know too much of, okay, we say follow your strategy, but they don't even know what to follow.
Yeah, they don't even have a strategy. They don't even know what the setup is.
The only thing they're following right now is the money.
Come on, guys. Finding a strategy nowadays is very easy. Like everyone is streaming.
Yeah, finding a strategy is easy, but finding one that you can stick to is not easy. A lot of people.
You're gonna take some time, of course.
Yeah, a lot of people would strategy hop like crazy.
Yeah.
And the less you do it, the better it's gonna be for you. Like, trust me. Like, I'm so glad that I just stuck with Nick and I never strategy hopped to anyone else. Like, I watched other streams, but I never completely transitions to some different strategy. I always stick with Nick's.
Yeah, Nick's strategy is the first strategy I ever learned. I tried to learn how to trade like Don Wu, but he doesn't really have a strategy. He has the trade based on the price action, you know. He doesn't really have setups nowadays.
Yeah,
he just take random trades.
Follow someone who can explain their trades, not follow someone who's taking, like, maybe they have a good strategy and whatever, but if they're not explaining their trades to you live or whatever, it's like, how do you know that they're not just getting lucky or whatever?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, or you are not gonna understand the strategy at least if no one explains it to you.
Exactly.
You know?
Yeah, and when you learn a strategy, it becomes so much easier to stay composed, you know, and don't overtrade. And if you want to overtrade, if you have, like, let's say you have one account that making you money, stick to that account. If you take like 1, 2, 3 trades, it's based on your strategy, and then you feel like you want to trade more just because of the dopamine of it. Close that account and go trade some practice accounts instead, you know. That's what I do. If I feel like I want to trade just for the fun of it, I'm just closing down all my accounts and go to the practice. Because then it just becomes pretty much a game, you know.
Yeah, or you can basically, bro, just close your charts and move in your day. Like, there's no point for me sitting all day on the charts.
Yeah, but also, some new traders doesn't think like that. They
if you're a new trader, just be on the chart 24/7. If you are new, just go and read the markets all day, every day. You should feel passionate about trading, and when you're passionate about something, you do it a lot. But
Yeah.
the more you become experienced on the market, the more you're gonna understand that the less is more. So
Yeah. Exactly. And
trading
that's why
one session, one setup, one trade, it's more
Yeah.
profitable than you trading 3 sessions, 3 trades. So less is more. More is a trap in trading. The more you analyze is, you know, it's like overthinking. The more you overthink about something, the less probable is for you to take a good decision. So you don't need to overanalyze anything. And in trading, it's very easy to become paralyzed with a lot of analysis. So be careful of analysis paralysis. Keep it simple. Just focus on one setup, 2 setups, I don't know, but focus on something that makes sense to you. And just wait for this something to play out on the market. Never try to guess. Always try to flow.
And I think it's also good to take a break from the markets in between sessions because
Yeah,
you
for
get a
sure.
fresh, like you refresh your brain. Like
Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure. Also, it's
you're-
good, Malaga, for me to delete everything and just do the top down again. Like it
Yeah.
helps.
Yeah.
Helps a lot.
Sometimes you stare yourself blind on the markets. It's like a tunnel vision, you know.
and like
You forget about it.
when you watch the charts for so long, you might be stuck on the previous bias or something like that. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Like you need to change with the market, and if you just stay there and watch the whole time, you're gonna become a zombie, bro.
Yeah, this breakout is not looking nice. I'm not gonna enter anything. It's too overextended. Nothing for me. Like it's a playbook setup. If this stop loss, like let's say, guys, because this is very important for you that trade my style to understand this. If this candle had a top wick here, or let's say the new candle opened and fucked up my drawing. So let's say the previous candle had a top wick like that, then I would take those sells because then my stop loss made sense. You know, my stop loss is large after that. But so let's say I had a stop loss of like a, where's the measure? Let's say I had a stop loss of 150 pips, then yeah, for sure I would be able to take this trade. Look at that opening also, magical opening. Like, but with that stop loss, that small stop loss, it's way too risky for you to attempt to get triggered in here and to not give a top wick here. Like the probabilities for you giving a top wick if you reach here are higher than you bleeding down. So you need to understand price action here, and it's not about the breakout here, it's about price action. Like price action for some setups we don't care about because yeah, a no bottom wick price action wise should come down and give a bottom wick, but we might take a sell, we might take a buy. So you're gonna see me sometimes take a no bottom wick and no top wick trade, but here, if the candle reaches here, it means that it already drove 90% of this candle range. So the probabilities of us giving a top wick then, it's higher than getting back down. So the only good thing about this opening that we have no bottom wick, so it can come up to here and flip, but I wouldn't want to take the probabilities. They are not like 80% probabilities, they are like 50. So I'm not taking 50. And this is not a trade I would happily take a loss with. Like I'm asking myself now, guys, I'm doing the same which I'm preaching about. I'm asking myself now, am I okay with taking a loss here? And the answer is very clear to my head, no. So I'm not gonna risk anything. So if the answer was yes, then yeah, go ahead and risk. But for me, no, it's a no.
Yeah.
Even if I see a win, I would prefer to stay out because I would feel very bad with taking a loss, which could be avoided. So
I'm gonna call it here for my stream.
Yeah.
There's nothing here for me for London, so I'm gonna come back for
yeah,
NY.
unfortunately, nothing for London for me as well. Nothing.
On to the next session.
So yeah, I'll see you guys in Zoom. I might go to sleep and then wake up for London. I'll see you guys in Discord, I mean. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna chill in the Zoom call for a bit and then I'm gonna call it a stream in like probably 10-15 minutes. I wanna see this reaction here. I wanna see this reaction.
Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep probably.
Better than looking at this reaction, Malakas, with a new song from my friend. Let's go. Listen it up.
Let's go. I'm gonna end the stream here for me.
Pump it up. Let's see that reaction though.